In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive on mobile. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, the Google Drive app is your hub for storing, opening, uploading, and sharing files right from your phone. If you don't already have it, open the store on your device, Google Play Store on Android, or the App Store on iPhone, search for Google Drive, install it, then open the app and sign in with your Google account. If you see prompts about permissions, allow access so Drive can back up and manage files on your device. When the app opens, you'll land on the main screen. My Drive, sometimes just labeled Files, is your personal cloud space where your folders and files live. Starred is a quick list of items you've marked as important. Shared shows files that others have given you access to. And Recent keeps a timeline of what you've opened or worked on most recently, which is handy when you're jumping back into something you just used. To put new content in Drive, tap the plus button at the bottom right. Choose Upload to add files, photos, or videos from your phone, or choose Scan to capture a document with your camera and save it as a PDF. Select what you want and you'll see a progress indicator. Keep the app open until the upload finishes, especially on slower connections. Using Wi-Fi helps speed things up and saves mobile data. Opening a file is as simple as tapping it. Drive previews PDFs, images, and videos, and it works with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files too. If a companion app is needed, Drive will guide you. Use standard gestures like pinch to zoom and swipe to navigate pages, and look for simple controls like play, pause, or rotate depending on the file type. To share something, tap the three dots next to the file and choose Share. You can add people or copy a link to send elsewhere. Set the right permission level. Viewer can see it, commenter can leave feedback, and editor can make changes. Review the link settings before you send to control who can access it, and adjust or stop sharing anytime from the same menu. When you have a file you'll use often, open the same three-dot menu and select Add to Starred. Later, you can open the Starred section to find it instantly without searching. For times without internet, open the three-dot menu again and choose Make Available Offline. Drive downloads a copy to your phone so you can open it anywhere. Remember that offline files take local storage. Remove offline access when you no longer need it. And that's all you need to confidently use Google Drive on mobile. Practice these actions a few times and they'll become second nature.